Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Walmart. You can create a Walmart account within just few minutes. So firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. Type down walmart.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage of the Walmart, what you need to do is tap onto the sign in account in the top right. So from here, you need to click onto the sign in or create account. After that, here your phone number or your email is required. Simply type down your phone number or your email address and click onto this continue in the bottom. And follow the on-screen instruction. Type down your first name, last name, select your country or your region, and your phone number. And select continue in the bottom. You need to enter the one-time verification code sent to your phone after that. And you need to verify your number and create account. And after your account is created, you can shop online, save delivery addresses and payment methods. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.